How to change or replace Volkswagen Passat B7 from 2012 to 2016 turn signal headlight bulb in 5 easy steps. 1. Open the bonnet to reach behind the headlight. There you can see the bulb holder that you need to take it out. There is no need to remove the headlight to change the turn signal bulb of the headlight. We took it out just so you can understand it better what you have to do behind it. Don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel, Tutorial Auto. We are using a left headlight to show you how it's done correctly. Two, remove the bulb holder twisting it counterclockwise. Passat B7 is using an PY21W bulb for turn signal light that you can find it in the video description below. Three, push down and then rotate the bulb to take it out. Four, install the new bulb pushing it down and then rotate it. Five, put the bulb holder back on the headlight twisting it clockwise. You need to put the bulb holder in that almost vertical position and then twisting it clockwise to an oblique position. If you have any suggestions about new tutorials, let us know in the comments section. Don't forget to like and subscribe our YouTube channel, Tutorial Auto.